Hey everyone, Angelina here, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about javaburn before you decide if it's right for you. This product has been creating a lot of buzz in the health and fitness community, especially among people who want to naturally support their metabolism and weight loss goals. So let's go step by step and break it down clearly. First things first, a quick but important warning. Be really careful about where you purchase javaburn. The official website is the only place where you can get the real, authentic product. If you find it on Amazon, eBay, or in a random online store, there's a high chance it could be fake or tampered with. And honestly, you don't want to risk putting a fake supplement into your body. To make it easy, I've added the official website link down below in the description. So remember, only order from there to be safe. Now, let's talk about what javaburn actually is. javaburn is a powdered dietary supplement that comes in small, easy-to-use sachets. What makes it so unique is that it's designed to be mixed directly into your coffee. That means no pills, no complicated routines. You just add it to your regular morning coffee, and that's it. It dissolves instantly, has no taste at all, and doesn't change the flavor of your coffee. So you can enjoy your usual cup while also turning it into a metabolism-boosting, fat-burning drink. So how does it actually work? javaburn contains a blend of natural income. javaburn is widely recognized as the first and only 100% natural, tasteless supplement created to blend seamlessly with your daily coffee. Its unique formula is designed to speed up fat burning, boost energy levels throughout the day, and help control appetite, all without the crashes or jitters you'd normally expect from traditional stimulants. Just one simple stick mixed into your morning coffee can transform an everyday routine into a science-backed fat-burning ritual. This powerful thermogenic blend works hand in hand with the natural caffeine in coffee to fire up your metabolism and maximize calorie burning. With thousands of people already seeing real results, javaburn is quickly becoming the go-to choice for anyone looking for a sustainable, effective, and effortless way to support their weight loss goals without making major changes to their lifestyle.